Kasama ninyo! Muli sa magandang tanghali sa inyo lahat. And boys and baptisms and pagkakasan and our babies in spiritual life. Please, in the moment, we welcome our baby in church people faith. And today, our baby Ivan Josh has people choice. And we are very much honored and lucky to be present here today as we are joining the family of baby Josh to their happiness. Once again, together with the management and the full staff of events building. Come on, Nino! And our Nino, come on! Wow! Sana production number! Wala mo rin bakal kaibigan. Maraming salamat. Next one, come on! Hey! Come on! Hey! And boys, dire-diretso naman po mga kaibigan. Wala po rin palakpakan. Sige lang po. Johnny na, come on, and now I need up for come on. Hey, come on! Wala pa tayo palang mga kaibigan. Once again, wala na pang Nino and Inang come on! Very heavy ladies and gentlemen, in grand entrance of Number Proud and Washing Mother together with the Proud Brothers, Mommy Eliza and Mommy Javon. Imatong, wala pa rin palapangan. Come on!
Masasabi ko lang sa aming anak, to my son, never forget that I love you. I hope you believe in yourself as much I believe in you. With the life tries to look without. I will always have you back. I cannot promise to be here for the rest of your life, but what I can promise is that I love you for the rest of your life. Love you.
Oh, very sweet message prepared by the proud and loving father of our celebrator. We have Danny Javon Imatong. Maraming salamat. Wala pa tayong palakpakan mga kaibigan. Alright, this is it mga kaibigan. We are done with the messages. Ngayon naman, ayan, para po pabigay na natin ang ating mga prizes.
Elvan Josh, I hope you grow up happy. I wish you grow up happy, and of course, be good to your parents. And also, alito lang si Tina and Ate Aliyah. Basta, kung sabi ko lang, alam ko nasa abroad. Wala naman kung kaso yun kahit nasa malayong lugar yung mga parents and also Gawina. Basta may communication lang. Like si Sir Froilan, yung kuya ni Iva, we're in good friends talaga. Nakita kami sa Canada dahil sa kuya ni Iva, naging ginang ako ni Elvan Josh. thank you kasi kinuha mo ako ng and wala akong masabi kasi ang cute-cute ng baby. And also, Malia, may gusto ka bang sabihin? Ayun, yan na siya. Yun lang po, and thank you sa pag-invite sa amin.
Alright, ladies and gentlemen, we have the crowd, Ninong, Councilor Krina Ibasan. Maraming salamat. And to hear another birthday greetings, mga kaibigan, we have here Attorney Jessa Cleopa. Wala pa ba tayo palakpakan?
Good morning po sa ating lahat. Unang-una, first and foremost, I would like to thank the parents for trusting us to be the second parent of your firstborn, Alvin Josh. My wish to Alvin Josh is to sana lumaki kang masipag, marespeto, magalang, at determine kung anong gusto mong maging sa buhay. Andito lang ang mga ninangs, andun po kami sa table, yung mga high school batchmates. Nandito lang po kami. Ngayon pa lang, meron ka ng lifetime free legal consultation, no? Huwag lang tayo magkaso or kasuhan ka, ano? So, thank you very much and magandang hapon po sa ating lahat.
Alright, maraming salamat, ladies and gentlemen. We have Attorney Jessa Cleopa. Wala pa tayong palakpakan. Maraming salamat. Next in line, we also have to hear the message coming from our crowd, Ninong. We have Engineer Alvin Andaya. Wala pa tayong palakpakan, mga kaibigan.
First, thank you, Mare and Pare, for choosing me as one of the godparent of Elvan Josh. I'll make it simple. So, I wish Elvan Joy all the best and may the force be with you. So, we will support you all the way. Okay, nandito kami mga ninong at ninang. Thank you.
Alright, maraming salamat, ladies and gentlemen. We have Engineer Alvin Andaya. Maraming salamat. And another proud Ninong.
First, thank you, Eliza and Van, sa pagkuha mo sa amin na Ninong ni Elvan Josh. Wish ko kay Josh na sana lumaki siyang matalino, may takot sa Diyos at mabuting anak sa inyong dalawa. Yun lang, keep it simple and yes, God bless sa inyo.
Maraming salamat. We have Ninong Arnold.
Ayan, meron bigyan sir. Bigyan mo para lahat sila mabigyan. Everybody happy. Sige, bigyan mo rin si, Kapitana. Wala bang palakpakan dyan? Ay, sayaw! Ay, ito! Sige, mami! Dito! Igilin mo, mami! Ayaw, tignan niyo yan! Ang matanggal rayuma! Diba? Dance is the best medicine! Come on, sayaw! Burudots! Ayun, oh! Wow, ang galing, oh! Mami, isa ka pumunta! Ang galing, oh! Wow, ang galing! Ang galing, oh!
Come on. Everybody, come on. One more time. Nasa bilisan, mas malakas. Patangina po kung parang gutom na kayo pag-aawit ng birthday song. Come on. Mas maligaya po mga kaibigan. Come on. One more time. Sabay. Everybody, come on. Once again, ladies